Welcome to the aBlocks paragraph block tutorial. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add and customize text content using the aBlocks paragraph block in WordPress. First, open the section of your website where you want to display the paragraph. Then, search for Paragraph Block in the block inserter and select the aBlocks paragraph block to add it. It's perfect for adding clean, readable text with full control over styling and layout. Let's get started. Head over to the General Settings and update the paragraph text to suit your content needs. Choose the appropriate alignment, left, center, right, or justified for better readability and visual balance. Adjust the text size to fit your layout and design. Want to add a stylistic touch? You can enable or disable drop caps for a bold opening letter. Now go to the Style section for more design options. Choose a text color that aligns with your branding or page style. Define the typography, including font family, size, weight, line height, and letter spacing for a polished look. Enhance your text further by customizing the text stroke and text shadow to make it pop. Once you're happy with the changes, click the Save button to apply all your customizations. Finally, preview the page to see your paragraph in action. And there you have it. You've successfully added and styled your paragraph with the aBlocks paragraph block. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and effective WordPress tips with aBlocks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.